401k match. What is a 401k match? That's when your employer will say, hey, up to 3% of your salary, up to 6% of your salary, we will match whatever you put in your 401k, we'll also throw that in for you, right? So, what does that look like? Let's say you make $100,000 and you put away $5,000, and let's say they have a 5% match. The $5,000 that you put away gets matched. So now you have another 5,000 in it. So now your brokerage account in your 401k has $10,000 as opposed to, let's say you had 100k of income and you just took 5,000 and put in a brokerage account, you still only earned 100,000. But with the match, you actually earned 105,000, and that extra 5,000 is not taxed to you. That is one of the most powerful features of the 401k. If your employer is offering 401k match, you have to accept it. You're literally leaving your compensation on the table if you don't accept it.